If you are anything like me, you absolutely love dark mode. I use it on every single app that allows me to. But what if I told you you could enable dark mode on your motorcycle's dashboard? Or even better, change the color altogether. But before I can show you guys how to do this, we gotta take off the dashboard.
So we just took the dash off. Now we're gonna take it apart to put in the filters provided by ColorClusterz.
And while Mauro takes apart his dashboard in the background, I just want to take a moment and give a huge shout out to ColorClusterz. They were nice enough to provide me with an LCD flip and a color filter. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of these filters for your own bike, the link will be in the description. After you have removed all the screws, gently split the cases. If they do not want to come apart, gently pry with a credit card or gift card. Do not use a screwdriver as this might damage the case. Gently take out the dashboard assembly. We are going to start with installing the LCD flip, but in order to do this, we have to remove the original LCD film. Before peeling off the original film, we applied some heat, which will help soften the adhesive, making it easier to peel it off. Gently pry up one of the corners of the film with a razor blade. I do gotta admit, this looks a little bit scary. After gently peeling off the original LCD film, we used a microfiber towel and some adhesive remover to remove any residual adhesive. After cleaning the surface, it is time to install the LCD flip. Peel off the protective layer of the LCD flip and make sure you do not get any fingerprints on the film, as it will be impossible to clean once installed. Carefully install the LCD flip, making sure no air bubbles are trapped underneath the film. If you get any bubbles trapped under the film, you can gently use a credit card or gift card to push them out. The LCD flip is laser cut and should fit perfectly. Those were the steps to install the LCD flip. Installing the color filter is very simple. You just drop the color filter in the dashboard housing. One benefit of the color filter is if you do not like it, it is very easy to remove. After installing the LCD flip and color filter, reassemble the dashboard by reversing the steps you took to take it apart. You can run the LCD flip and color filter together or separate, so let's take a look at the finished result. And let me tell you guys, this looks awesome, way better than the stock dashboard ever did. I personally love the flip with the color filter, but my friend Mauro, who owns this bike, decided to take the color filter out and just run the flip. I hope you guys enjoyed this little install video. At the end of this video I will show some onboard footage of the dashboard stock and with the flip. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a quick and easy install, but it makes your bike look so much better. Now I'm just waiting until they make one for the SV650. Again, a huge shout out to ColorClusterz for providing me with the LCD flip and color filter, and a big shout out to you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like. If you want to see more, then please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.